Folks, here's an International Model 63 4-row cultivator, row crop cultivator, rolling fenders. It's got all the rubber tires on the front for packing. It has a center colter that's in pretty good shape. It's set up for category 1 3-point, but that can be changed if you want it set up for bigger. Paint looks to be original to me, I'm guessing. And it is set on 36-inch rows, but you can narrow it down. It looks like it may have been on 30s at one time. You can see where the U-bolts used to be. And the hitch can even slide. It unbolts and slides, so it's really modular. You can do whatever you need to with it for the most part. You can see the original decal there. It's really in excellent shape. A couple of the shovels are getting a little dull, but I don't see any missing or broke. I'm walking down through here while I'm talking to you. It looks like every shank has a shovel on it. Yep, I didn't see any right off. We're gonna have this for sale right here. If you guys have any questions, just give one of us a call.